great to have these kind of weekends where we can get away from the distractions and like the busy life that we normally have of sports and school, and really focus in on fellowship with Christians and getting closer with God and serving the community and just bettering ourselves and our relationship with God.
Community with this group is very important, but I think learning through Bible study and looking at God's Word has grown them deeper and deeper with each other and growing toward God.
I feel like D-Now kind of like brings us back and shows us our purpose. We went to the rescue mission today, and just seeing all my girls work together for a common goal was so awesome.
You get a group of guys that aren't all exactly the same. You get to see the real side of each and every one of them. Like, it's not a shallow, fake weekend where nobody really shares their heart. Everybody's really out there with what they're thinking and what they're feeling.
A lot of kids are this age don't get to know what true service is, but when we come and do D-Now and Wired, we're able to see what serving the Lord means while serving others.